Okay, ready, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to week 2 of Bachata 2. So this week we did a little back to the basics and then added a little combo. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to review our Latin posture and go over what we went over with connection, and then we're going to do our little combo. So first things first, our Latin posture. Latin posture, we need to have our feet at a generally like a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle together, so both feet are going out 45 degrees. This helps with our stability. If our feet are like this, we have a lot less stability than if we are here. That's the first step. Second step, we're gonna bring our weight mostly into our toes. So we're gonna just bring our feet forward. So honestly, if you were wearing heels, you shouldn't have the heels on the floor. But because we're all basically wearing flats, we just so we bring our hips back into to offset the weight that we have in our toes, and we bring our chest up, and our shoulders are down, and our lats are engaged. We bring our hands generally towards our belly button, underneath our chest and our rib cage. Okay, so this is how we move. Now, whenever we do our hip movement is moving as a response to what our knees are doing, so our knees are bending. So for example, whenever we start, we're going to bring our left leg out to the right. We're going to be bending that leg. The right leg is going to be straight, and this hip is going to be out. So the weight is going to be on this bent leg. Every time the weight is going to be on the bent leg. So 1. In this position 2, so this hip is going to be left behind. But because we're moving our center of gravity, our chest is going to follow our center of gravity. So our chest is going to the left. So chest is going left, our hips are going right, kind of like we're doing a disco. And then we're just doing this alternating either side until we get to our collection. Whenever we collect on the 4 and on the 8, we're coming back to our neutral Latin position. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that's what we did for that connection.
And then the second part of class, we got into partner works and we did a connection exercise where there needs to be tension from both the leads and follows. Please be clear that if you're a follow and the lead does not have this type of connection, or if they don't initiate the correct movement, do not back lead. If the lead doesn't do the move, don't do it as a follow. Okay? And tension needs to be here. We did exercise when we go up, down, making sure that there's enough tension that when I rotate my chest, the follow does this.
And just contrast it to this. We're not doing that, we're doing this. Yeah?
So we're not going like this, because that means that there's no tension. We're moving our chest. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? And then we did exercise and we did a basic. 1, 2, 3, and then we went forward and back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the tension here is what communicates with the follow on what you want to do as a lead. Okay?
Then our combo. So we'll go through it slowly, and we can just do it at different angles. So let's do it this way first. We'll do it from behind, and we'll do it towards you guys. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so next thing, so what we did here, we combined 2 moves together. So first thing that we did what we did at the beginning of class, which I forgot to mention. So we did a syncopation step. Our syncopation step is syncopation on 1, and it looks like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and that was for the follow. So if you're doing it as a lead, it would be 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. We're being sure to talk about the level changes. We're talking about the styling of being able to point with the toe on that and count, or accent with the heel, or doing the swivel step. So each of those looks like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That was the pointed toe, now the heel. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now the swivel. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And you can use any of those in your styling and whatever, what have you. But for this move, we just use the syncopation on 1 with the toe tap. Okay. So we did syncopation on 1. So 1 and 2. And then we toss on the 1. And then we step
3, 4.
and then we collect here on 4, and then we're turning the chest, and we're doing a rotating, so 5, 6, and then we're coming back to our partner, and collecting. So all of that together, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next thing that we did was
We went into the sweetheart position. So on the first sequence of the basic, we switched the hands. So my left is on with her left, and my right is going to be with her. So it's going to look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Switch the hands.
3, 4,
then
5,
into the
6,
sweetheart.
7, 8. Then we're going to do a little bit of a connected hammerlock here, and we're going to release the hand. The leads are going to be doing a comb, a hair comb for the follow on the 3. The follow is going to bring their arm down on the 4. Follows are going to turn, and leads are going to do their hair comb after the follow finishes turning on the 7. Okay, so it'll be 1, 2, hair comb 3, hand down on 4, 5, 6, hair comb on 8, and then we're back at the hold. So all of that all together again from this angle, from the top.
5, 6,
7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So that's it for class today. Thank you guys so much.
Do one more from a side profile.
Huh?
One more from a side profile.
Side?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Switch the
1,
hands.
2, 3,
Sweetheart.
5, 6, 7,
And
8,
down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Comb.
6,
And
7, 8,
comb.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Looking that way. We're gonna do a.
Yeah, we can do it during our demo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.